So, you want to buy NordVPN, but you are kind of in doubt about the pricing. Well, I can get you a big discount with the personal link in the description down below. If you click on that, it will bring you to my special page, as you can see right here, where you can get 4 months for free plus amazing discounts. In order to claim that, you want to click on Get NordVPN right here, which, by the way, comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, so there's no risk for you. If you click there, you'll be directly sent to the biggest discounts. Now, these are the discounts that you can get. Plus, all of this comes with an extra 4 months for free. So this will be for 28 months. But if we compare this to the normal pricing, this is what that looked like. So the basic plan is 13 euros or $13 a month if you're in the USA. The plus plan is $14 a month. And the ultimate plan, 15.49. So basically, $50 a month. So that's that. Now, if we compare that to the 1-year plans, which you can select here, you can already save a ton of money. You can see that the price goes down from 13 per month for a basic plan to less than 5, which is fantastic. For the plus plan, it goes from 14 to 6, and then from the ultimate plan goes from 1550 to 850, which is amazing. Now, it gets even better if you choose a 2-year plan, and this is also where the 4 months for free come in as an extra bonus. The basic plan is ridiculous. It is less than $3 a month, all right? So you can save yourself about $250 plus get an extra 4 months for free. So that's another $50 in value that you're able to get. Then the plus plan is $385, which you can save yourself, as you can see, over 300 euros or dollars, plus get that extra 4 months for free. And then the ultimate plan is ridiculous. You can save yourself with this deal over $500, plus get 4 months for free, which for the ultimate plan otherwise would have cost you about $65. And so with the personal link in the description down below, you can claim all of these discounts. It will be automatically applied. Just click it and you'll get it. And that's it. So you can get all of these deals plus 4 extra months for free with a 30-day money back guarantee, which is the best deal available on the internet. So in case you want to try that out, I'll leave a link in the description and it will all be automatically applied.